Friends, Bitcoin has truly performed remarkably today. We haven't seen such a massive shift in the last few months as we're witnessing right now. That is why I had told you yesterday, on August 19th, that a major change was imminent, and today it has happened. Those who sold their Bitcoin yesterday or in previous months suffered a huge loss. A downward trending graph actually presents a great buying opportunity, and those who seize it stand to reap significant profits later. So today I'll show you how the value rose by more than $7,000. As you can see here, the price of Bitcoin has been steadily declining over the past few months. However, you should be well aware that a drop in price can also be highly profitable. Let me explain how. Things have been moving along as usual until today, when Bitcoin suddenly surged, and this wasn't just a minor jump, it shot up by over $7,000. But consider who actually benefited. Those who held onto it when its value was $64,315 saw it rise to over $72,000 today, resulting in a profit of a full $7,685. By the way, do you think the price of Bitcoin will rise further? Do share your opinion in the comments. If you want to stay updated on daily crypto related news, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as I regularly share such content there.